They probably like it at the back.
There we go.
All right. By the way, my harp today is in M.
Well, that's good. Well, now, you know what's going to happen? He's going to record this and they're going to use it next time.
We can't write material fast enough. Here we go again.
Woke up this morning. I'm fucked now.
Now, you woke up this morning, and that's half the job over. You fucking woke up.
I woke up this morning. I had the non-gender specific blues. Yay! Well, I woke up this morning.
Which was half the job.
I had the non-gender specific blues. Yeah, that non-gender specific person left me, and I'm feeling so loose. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nick the Noise over here on bugle. Here we go. Come on, Nick. No, I think you've improved.
I didn't say I could play, I said I was good looking. Woo! Come on, it's a jam session.
Thank you.
No. No,
No, it's true.
No,
Oh, you know what? We haven't done the
don't stop. Fuck.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all non-gender specific people here tonight.
I'm ex-bikey Nick the Noise. Eli, you haven't got to the funny bit yet, mate. Just settle down. Hey, Mum! Are farts supposed to be lumpy or what? That's a fucking Harley!
No, I'm not doing the funny bit because you're going to fucking steal it. Now, what's this?
That's the bikey's lips.
Oh, okay. Nick belongs to that dangerous and outlaw bikie gang, the loose sphincters.
Only because we're all assholes.
So anyway, listen, my name's Frankie Rooster, and I've been in the Catholic education system for almost 33 years now.
Any minute now he hopes to graduate.
So I'm going to bless this audience before
He
we
has
start.
done it before, and you feel like a tingle. It's just...
Se nomine Padre,
Yeah.
se Filii,
Alright.
se Spiritus
Woo.
Sancto.
Yeah!
Vaffanculo a tutti quanti.
I'm not quite sure about the last bit, but the first bit was very blessed.
That's good. So Nick, tonight, Nick Noise and I are not going to do any sexist, racist, homophobic, xenophobic, misogynist, chauvinist, gratuitously profane, drug-infused, or personal attack humour of any kind.
Ah, fuck, we're out of here.
You fucked it up.
I know, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
That's all right. He recorded. You can use that next time.
It was-
You won't get the laugh either.
Now, we're only kidding.
Are
We
you
are
ready to
going
do
to do
this?
profane stuff.
You're going to do this? You ready? We're ready to do this next.
Check, check, check. 1, 1, 2, 2. Check, check, check. 1, 1, 2, 2. Check, check. 1,
This
1, 2.
microphone technique is very important in stand-up comedy. Without good microphone technique, you end up sounding like that person in Coles, Woolies, or IGA.
Customers, get your condoms and check out 3. Customers, Eli, check out 3.
Do the song.
All right, come on.
Eli, you can sing along to this one. No, you can. Or just do what you're doing there. I don't know what the fuck that is, but just...
It's something.
It's music.
All right.
Oh, it's music, good. Well, we didn't write this song, some other dickheads did. We're really glad of that, cause it's a piece of shit. It doesn't even rhyme, well maybe just this time. It only has 2 chords, so we can go all night. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh Now that's the chorus of the song right there. And you can sing along with us, ladies and gentlemen. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do it old style here. Guys only. Here we go. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, females. There we go. Females only.
Are you sure?
All non-gender specific people in the audience tonight. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm actually non-gender specific. I'm actually moon fluid. That's my pronoun.
He only identifies as a fuckwit at night time when the moon's out. So tonight he's okay.
Alright, Nick the Noise. Here's a word you don't hear in a song that often.
What word would that be, Frankie?
Obstreperous.
Obstreperous?
Obstreperous.
How would you use obstreperous in a song, Frankie?
Well, let me see. My girlfriend is obstreperous. In fact, she's quite the cunt.
Tree girl.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like Eli's mum.
yeah.
She's laughing at all the jokes.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
My friend Nick the Noise is now going to do a impression of a helicopter crash landing into a pile of red jelly. Here we go.
He is?
He is. Abstract expressionist comedy, that's what this is.
Where's Rambo?
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you want for $5?
Oh,
For
yeah.
fuck's sake.
Where's our hat, by the way? Where's our hat? Get fucked with that light. We're going on.
This is for our retirement fund. So we can fucking eat
This is,
tonight.
no, this is it. Oh! Eli, pick it up. We'll be here till Christmas. We're going to do a quick impression here. This is a Manjimup tree fella felling a tree in Manjimup. Here we go.
We just like doing that because it looks like McDonald's fucking spewed.
Get fucked, that was funny. Nice sight down there. Now, you know, there was a koala bear and he was living in that tree.
We're going to finish with this.
Don't worry
Ziggy,
about
we
it.
will finish with this one.
And actually, Nick and I, not too many people know this, but we actually adopted a koala. His name is Kevin the koala. And we have a photo of Kevin. Would you like to see it?
Yeah.
Would you like to see a photograph of Kevin? Yes? Oh, there we go. This is a shot of the back of his head. This is a 3D interpretation of him. And this, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time anywhere in the world, is a koala brown eye. By the way, that arsehole was all the way from China. Through that way.
So, yeah, we're
Alright, we're going to do this, finish off now, right?
going to finish off. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Guess what? We did write this fucking thing. It is a piece of shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. And of all the audiences we've ever had, you would have to be the most fucking recent, though. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's Frankie Rooster.
Hang on, we haven't finished yet.
Finish.
Fucksy.
He's going to put the fucking music on.
That's alright. We're going to go for the big finish.
The big finish. Oh, the big finish.
Big finish. You ready? You going to do it? Thank you. Here's Nick the Noise. Thank you. Good night.
McDonald's screwed up. Hang on.
Wow, guys, that was great. Which one of these microphones has less spin on it?
The one Eli didn't do.